Hello, welcome to another GCSE higher question, paper 1. We are asked to make f the subject of the formula. Okay, so first of all, if you have a fraction on one side, you would like to get rid of the denominator. Okay, so they haven't put bracket, but I would put bracket around the denominator so that I know I have to send everything on the denominator to the other side. Now, what do we have? Fraction line means divide. Okay, this fraction line means divide. So that means to get rid of the denominator, I need to do the opposite. I need to do times. Okay, so if I do multiply everything both sides by f minus 4, again, I haven't times f minus 4. I haven't times the right hand side yet by f minus 4, so I'm doing that now. Again, keep the bracket. What do you see? You got f minus 4 divide by f minus 4. It becomes divide, right? You can write it like this so that it doesn't feel too different. And divided by f minus 4. Oh, right, I might keep it writing that. So f minus 4 and f minus 4 will cancel, right? Same number divided by same number cancels. In other words, this will become 1, this will become 1. So what we are left with is just 3 bracket 1 minus f, and the left hand side is d times f minus 4. I want to make f the subject, so I need to collect all the f's together. Okay. But before that, let me make this smaller so I get enough space. Okay, so what we need to do now is expand. So get rid of the f. So d times f df. D times minus 4 is minus 4d. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times minus f is minus 3f. I'm going to do plus 3f so that I have everything that has f in it on the left hand side. So that's going to give me df plus 3f minus 4d equals just 3. Right, this one and this one will cancel. One is positive, one is negative. And then I'm gonna send the 4d on the other side because it has nothing to do with f. So I'm gonna do plus 4d on both sides because this was minus here. So that will send the 4d on the other side. So df plus 3f equals 3 plus 4d. Again, let's make that smaller. Okay. Right, we went from there. Okay, and then we want only one f. The only way to have one f appearing on the left hand side is to factorize the f outside. So I've taken f out. What's left? D. There's a plus there. Bring that down. I've taken f out. What's left? 3 equals 3 plus 4d. Okay. As you can see, between f and the bracket, there's a multiplication operation. So to get rid of everything in the bracket to the other side, I need the inverse of multiplication, which is divide. So what I'm going to do is divide both sides by d plus 3. Divide this side also by d plus 3. Hence, what you're left with is f d plus 3 divided by d plus 3 equals 3 plus 4d over d plus 3. Again, d plus 3 will cancel. What are you left with is f equals 3 plus 4d divided by d plus 3. Hence, that will be your answer. Right, you could have approached it differently, of course. You could have had from this stage, previous to this stage, so from that stage you could have sent the 3f. You could have kept the minus 3f on the right hand side and send the plus df on the other side. Again, that wouldn't be wrong. So all you need is care and not to make mistake. Okay, so let's do that on the side. I'm gonna make that smaller, push that on the side. Okay, so let's say we did a different approach from here. Yeah, we have df minus 4d equals 3 minus 3f. Let's say you did send the df on the other side. There's a plus df, right? Let's say you did minus df on both sides. Okay, you're ending up minus 4d, which is just that. Remember, this is and this will cancel. Equals 3 minus 3f minus df nav. You can send the 3 on the other side, so this is a plus 3 here, so minus 3 on both sides. You're gonna get minus 4d minus 3 equals minus 3f minus df. Okay, now you could then take away the minus f. You're gonna end up with 3 plus d, as you can see. Okay, and if you divide, there's a minus here, but there's an invisible one there, right? There's minus 1 actually. So if you divide everything by minus 1, what are you gonna get? Everything gonna change the sign, right? So minus 4d will become plus 4d, minus 3 will become plus 3, and you're left with f 3 plus d. And all of this again similarly, dividing both sides by 3 plus d divided by 3 plus d is going to give us 4d plus 3 over 3 plus d. It's the same as that. Okay, I hope you find this useful. I'm going to do more GCSE higher papers and share it with you, and see you in the next video.